my students. This is Louis the Librarian, and I enjoy teaching you how to use technology the easy way. Thank you for checking out my channel. If you are looking to learn how to use technology for school or for a new job, or if you just want to keep your mind active, then these simple lessons are for you. Again, my name is Louis, and I have worked in public libraries for about 12 years, and I have taught literally thousands of students how to use technology to improve their daily lives. My students have ranged from high school students to college students, corporate executives, even people in their 90s that are touching the computer for the very first time. So if they can do it, so can you. On my video channel, I'll be posting short technology tips and tricks that might be useful to you for free. Now, if you want to learn more, please check out my short mini ebooks on smashwords.com in the links below. And for your convenience, I've included lots of screenshot images showing simple step-by-step instructions on how to use different software, social media, awesome library databases, and other special websites for less than the price of a small cup of coffee at Starbucks. So good. If you like what you see here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my different social media accounts, because I would love to hear from you. Because whenever you ask questions, you're helping other people to learn. So please, I look forward to hearing from you. If you really enjoy this content and you find it useful, you can donate a cup of coffee on my Linktree page, also in the description below, or on the profile page of all my social media accounts. Thank you so much. I look forward to teaching you how to use technology the easy way.